You have healing family issues. Your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. Last card, past life relationship. You have known each other before. Okay. See what's going on. This is already sounding like some twin flame stuff. I ain't gonna sit here and lie to y'all already, but let's see what's going on with Gemini. All right, here we go, Gemini. So, bottom of the deck, you have the Queen of Swords. So, somebody's definitely dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, another Gemini, or a Libra. But I feel like somebody's coming off really cold and harsh with their words. So, let's see what's going on. What messages do you have for Gemini? Yeah, okay. Somebody's coming off really cold and harsh to their words because there could have been some type of third-party situation that was discovered here. And now someone's undecided about what to do because they feel like the situation isn't improving. Yeah, I know this is a general reading, so just take whatever fits for your situation. And this could go vice versa. So, all right, now that we got that out the way, let's see. Yeah, somebody's definitely frustrated about what was discovered. And they're not speaking up. Somebody's dealing with a Scorpio here. But I feel like, okay, something needs to come to an end so that something new can begin. And at this point, you guys are looking at the situation like, you know what, I don't see a victory here anymore. So, yeah, y'all are over it. But you're back and forth because I feel like you do care about this person. It's like 1 minute, those seeds that you planted with this individual, you want, you know, the seeds to grow. You want to, you know, build something with this individual. But on the flip side, you're over it. You're like, you know what, I'm just done. I don't see this moving any further. This person that you're dealing with could be younger than you. If not, you just look at this person like they're very childish, very immature, because you feel like they left you out in the cold. But I do feel like you're getting out of that energy. Somebody's definitely dealing with an earth sign here, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. I feel like you guys are focusing more so on yourself at this point. You're focusing on your finances. And at times, you're kind of looking at it like, I'm not putting any more effort into this. You know, I'm just going to focus on myself. It's not going anywhere. I'm tired of this person treating me wrong. Yeah, somebody's definitely wanting the situation to improve, but somebody's looking for their finances to improve, which is why someone is putting all their focus into their career. Yeah, it's someone with money here for some of you guys. But for others, I do feel like, you know, something that you've been hoping and wishing for, you want to take place. Look at that. Somebody is coming in. They want to give you this offer to have a happy home. Let's see. All right, tell me more. Six of Pentacles. Yeah, somebody wants to balance out the situation here with you. If somebody is worried about money, there is money coming in. But yeah, other than that, I feel like they want to balance things out with you. Somebody's made a decision here. Queen of Cups reversed. You could be dealing with a water sign. Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But yeah, somebody is very emotional about how things are playing out. And at this point, they're just holding things in. They're not really revealing how they truly feel. Maybe what it is that they really want. Yeah, because somebody wants to have a balanced partnership where you guys are putting in 100%, you know, and maybe when you look at this person, you feel like they weren't doing that. So at this point, you don't see yourself moving forward at all. You don't see yourself having a new beginning with this person. And actually, that makes you really sad because you really do care and love this person, but you love yourself more. You're like, I'm not going to keep doing this. Somebody did take some type of financial loss here. But I feel like somebody wants to come back in. Whoever messed up, they want to come back. They want to start over with you. They want to literally start all the way over. Look at that. They want to build again with you. They want to start over. Somebody's been taking it day by day. Trying to figure out possibly how they can build with you. How can they possibly even approach you? Yeah, because someone is in their head big time. They're frustrated about, you know, the way things are playing out. And it's like there's something that they want to say to you, but they're not. They're taking their time to come towards you. And it's because you broke up with them. Or, you know, there was some type of break in this relationship. I feel like now they're ready to come back and put forth the work to fix things with you. They're trying to clear away obstacles that stopped you guys from being together, but they know there's a lot of conflict with you. There's a lot of arguing going on. If it's not with you, it could be with people around you, around them, excuse me. And that's why, again, they're not approaching you right now. Maybe they're trying to clear away those obstacles with people, you know, causing conflict with you guys, but it's people on the outside, like in their ear. Yeah, right now, somebody's feeling like things are not going to improve. Gemini, if you're not keeping a close eye on this person is keeping a close eye on you. I do feel like they don't want you to leave them alone. They don't want you to move forward. Yeah. They're worried because they put you in this third-party mess. They know they broke your heart, and they're like, okay, what can I do to fix it? Look, they know that they stabbed you in the back. And this is why they want to rush in fast, to fix it. They know they have to give you the truth, but I feel like they're scared to, you know, give you that truth because they don't want to hurt you anymore. But it's like you guys will respect someone so much more if they're just honest, you know? Look at that. The truth came out. Somebody's dealing with a Capricorn here. It's like the truth came out and you walked away from this toxic situation because you felt like, okay, you don't make me happy anymore. I don't see things with you. And this person is having a hard time. I feel like somebody's having a hard time again with their finances. But they're having a hard time trying to figure out how to approach you to tell you that they want to be with you, to let you know that they want to fix things. And that's why communication is coming in extremely slow. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Somebody is dealing with a fire sign, an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But it's like, I feel like one minute you guys are trying to stay positive about the situation, but the next minute you're like, you know what? This is some BS, you know? Ooh, look at that. The king and the queen. Yeah, this is definitely like some type of soulmate, possible twin flame situation here, but you guys are not on the same page. I mean, fire is here. Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. I got a water sign here. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. But I feel like, okay, the person that messed up, it's like now they have the confidence to come towards you because they know that you found out there's some type of interference here, some type of third-party mess, whether it's, you know, another man, woman, a mother, friend, whoever, some type of family member. They know that you know. Somebody was doing something to the point where it was making it hard for this other person to be with you. Somebody felt obligated towards something. So now the person that messed up, it's like they have the confidence now to come towards you, but they're scared because they know you don't want to move forward with them, and that's what they're thinking. For a lot of you guys, you're like, no, Danielle, you're right. I don't want to move forward with this person. Tell me more. Clarify the Chariot reverse. Yeah. You guys don't see yourself having a new opportunity with this person. They hurt you. The Star is here. Somebody's dealing with an Aquarius, but it's like you're trying to have hope that things will work out, but when you look at this individual, you're like, you know what? You had other options. Ooh, no, that's okay. We will not have all these falling out. It's like when you look at this person, it's like, okay, you had other options. There were a lot of things about you that I didn't care for, and you know what? I think I'm good. I'm just gonna do me and walk away. But this person is trying to come back because they want to fix things with you. But you feel like there's no security with them, so you're kind of like, stay where you are. I don't have time to deal with this. But yeah, this person from your past, they're coming back to give you an offer. Look at that. They want a new beginning with you. But again, when you look at this person, you feel like there's no balance with them and you're cutting them off. Somebody's dealing with a Sagittarius here. Somebody also could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra, but you're cutting this person off due to the fact that you made a decision because you had to cut them off because there were a lot of secrets. There were things that you didn't know they hid from you. So you're like, I can't trust you. Ten of Cups. You want a happy home. You want this happy family life with this person. Gemini, that's you. You see yourself having a family with this individual. You could be dealing with another Gemini. But at this point, you're just not positive that things will work out in your favor. Because this person, you know, you just can't take them seriously. And y'all know, again, take it vice versa, however it fits for you. There's an offer here. Somebody wants to give you an offer, but I feel like you're going to reject it. Look at that. Somebody's definitely dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, another Gemini, or Libra. You guys are coming off really cold and harsh to this individual, but you want to hear them out. You actually want to give this person another chance, or you're considering it. They're saying you're not using your intuition, and they need you to have strength at this time to make a good decision. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo, but Gemini, either you're not walking away from this person, or this person is not walking away from you. Tell me more. But yeah, somebody's dropping this load here. They're no longer doing everything in the relationship. But somebody right now is weighing up their options here, trying to make a decision. And they need to make a decision. That's the problem here. Somebody is very slow to make some type of decision. Could be dealing with a Taurus here. But I feel like some of you guys are just looking at it like you're not going to have a commitment with this person. And it's like, I feel like you're trying to have a peace of mind about it, but you really don't have one. Could be dealing with an Aries, but you're just realizing that there's no stability with this person. And this person is not making you happy. Somebody out there is dealing with a Libra here, but I feel like you're trying to find out the truth in a situation. Maybe somebody's going through some type of legal situation, and that's why there's a lot of mental conflict here. Someone's in their head. But there was a lesson to be learned, and they're asking you to take a step back to reevaluate some things. Because maybe somebody here is definitely not communicating. Could be dealing with a Virgo, and I have a water sign here, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio, but somebody's having a hard time communicating anything and everything to you. Yeah, this person, I feel like they never really talk. Like, it's like pulling teeth trying to get them to say something. Yeah, somebody's frustrated at this point, but whoever messed up, you guys are looking at them like you need to clean up your act if you want me to be with you. Well, Gemini, that was your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonated for you guys. All right, guys. Talk to you soon.